Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. So you're out there searching for a Hostinger coupon code and you probably already found one offering 10% off, but hold on. Before you use that, you need to hear this. There's a 20% discount available right now and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to grab it in under 2 minutes. Here's the deal. I've got a special link set up that automatically applies a 20% off coupon the moment you land on Hostinger's website. No codes, no confusion. It just works and it's available for every country in your local currency. So wherever you're watching from, this is going to work for you. Just click the link and you'll land straight on Hostinger's official site. From there, go up to the navbar and click on products and services. You'll see their full lineup: cloud hosting, web hosting, website builder, and business email. To show you how smooth this is, I'm jumping into VPS hosting. They've got plans for every level: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. I went with the KVM2 plan, added it to cart, and boom, 20% discount automatically applied at checkout. No extra steps, just savings. Oh, and here's a pro tip: use a brand new email address that's never been linked to a Hostinger account before. That way, you're guaranteed to get the best deal. If this video saved you some money, smash that like button and subscribe for more deals like this. Catch you in the next one.